Hello, my name is Pooja Phanse and I am a financial risk advisor. So today's session was all about MDRT Factory and our trainer was Bobby sir, who is amazing trainer in not only terms of a education or a techniques he does, but also in terms of a person. He's so calm, so composed and has a tremendous kind of an patience in him to deliver all the skills he have. All the knowledge shared in MDRT today was all about business insurance. And what I learned from this is business insurance is like a long sea. And there are much type of fishes in this where we were targeting as a single people for the insurance. But what I can see is like the king of this sea is business insurance, and business means the business owners. So Bobby sir has exactly given us a roadmap how to go through by single step by educating people in that and sharing your knowledge while you can transfer this in your own business. So he has given lot many tools, sales kits and everything what is necessary for our knowledge to get groomed. So today's session was amazing. I'm thankful to Bobby sir and my whole institute and staff for this. Thank you.